All right, another short one. Where is everything on this keyboard rather? So this is the Mchose, the magnetic switches, Jet 75 keyboard. This video is just to kind of just show you where everything is on the keyboard. You've got your feet right here, and you do have two sizes. You can go up a little bit or go up a lot more, and that's on each foot right here. And then you just have a USB-C input, obviously to charge it, and to wire it to computer, and use it. So that's where everything is. I've got another video with a little bit more detail and another one telling you what's inside of the box when you order this on my channel. So check it out.